Hey everybody, this is Glenn Cebulski, World Pizza Champion and Chef. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about the $1 Million Pizzeria ×3. Dan Collier and I are going to be presenting the workshop next Monday, Monday the 19th, day before Pizza Expo starts. This is our fourth year doing the $1 Million Pizzeria ×3. We've had great crowds over the past 3 years. And if you're looking to expand your current business, increase your revenue, and maybe go to 2, 3, or more units, you have to come to $1 Million Pizza ×3 workshop. Again, it's with Dan Collier. We've got great insight. We've got a lot to teach you. We've got lots and lessons to share with you about the pitfalls that we've gone through with over 50 years combined restaurant experience. So go to pizzaexpo.com, look for the workshops, sign up for the $1 Million Pizzeria ×3. I'll see you next Monday, the 19th at Pizza Expo. Thanks.